Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have started our lesson number 18, Work is Worship, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Students, I explain you this poem. Like in this poem the poet gives the message that work is the real worship of God. He asks a person not to see God in temples by chanting and singing hymns and telling beads. Now according to him, God is with a person who is working hard to perform his duty. Now student, today we are doing the exercise of that lesson. Students, here there is glossary for you. The meaning of hard words. Next, go to the exercise. Exercise, listen and repeat. A. Singing, ringing, bringing. Soil, foil, toil. Tilling, billing, killing. Students, all these words are rhyme with each other. So you have to listen it and repeat, like singing, ringing, bringing. Soil, foil, toil. Tilling, billing, killing. Second, listen to the poem carefully and write the words from the poem that rhyme with the words given below. With the help of the poem, students, you find the rhyming words of that, like only is rhyme with holy, Holy, by, die, but, shut, killer, tiller, row, bro, run, sun, oil, toil, bones, stones, some, come. All these words come from poem and all these are rhyme with each other. Now from word power, rearrange the jumbled letters to form meaningful words from the poem. Jumbled letters को arrange करके, rearrange करके meaningful words बनाने. Like the first one is given to you. First one is worship. Now second is T-N-T-E-M-L-A. It is mantle. M-A-N-T-L-E. Second, R-G-N-E-M-T-A is garment. E-R-M-P-A-H-K-T-A, path maker. C-N-E-S-I-N-E, incense. T-E-D-S-A-I-N, stained. Next is students, choose the correct words and rewrite the following paragraphs. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ words option में दिए हुए हैं. You have to choose the right one and then rewrite the paragraph here. Like our principal is a man of principles and a great scholar. He meets some of the students and teachers himself once a week to ensure regular teaching. Now, the correct one is our principal. Here this one. Principal is a man of principles, this one, and a great scholar. He meets some of the students and teachers himself once a week to ensure regular teaching. So students, you have to write this paragraph like the correct word. Principal is a man of principles and a great scholar. He meets some of the students and teachers himself once a week to ensure regular teaching. So students, I hope all of you have to understood the exercise. So you have to complete it and write it in your notebook.